Sun, Moon, Star, and Earth. Molly and her mom were talking about the sun, moon, and star. Molly wanted to find out who among them is the best. First, she met the sun. Hi, sun. Hi, Molly. There is life on planet Earth because of me. Choose me. Then she met the moon. Hi, moon. Hi, Molly. I light up the sky at night. Choose me. Next, she met a star. Hi, star. Hello, Molly. I twinkle in the night sky. Choose me. On her way back, she met Mother Earth. Hello, Mother Earth. Hi, Molly. All animals, plants, and humans live on me. I nurture them, and I love them all. Molly hugged Mother Earth. You are my favorite. I like you the most.